Welcome to this video on personal portfolio development. After watching this video, you will be able to define the standard workflow for creating a personal portfolio, identify the artifacts to include in your personal portfolio, and list online tools and sites to host your portfolio. Whether you are a seasoned professional or new to the product owner role, a personal portfolio can help represent your skills and experience to prospective employers. A personal portfolio establishes your personal brand, differentiates you from other applicants in the job market, demonstrates your skills, creativity, and experience, helps you network with professionals in your domain, and builds trust among your clients. Building a personal portfolio comprises several key steps, from planning to launching and maintaining it. The following sequence provides the best and strongest workflow. Determine the focus of your portfolio, collect your work, organize your content, create your initial portfolio, assess, review, and refine your portfolio, and publish and advertise your portfolio. The first step in building a personal portfolio is to clarify what you want to achieve with it. For an effective portfolio, you have to do an honest self-assessment and ask yourself if you're a seasoned product owner and want to stay in your current position, advance in your current position, grow in your career, or you're just starting out. The answers you get from your self-assessment will help you reach out to your target audience effectively. Once you've set the focus of your portfolio, you need to identify the work that best represents your skills, knowledge, and experience in the product owner role. You should collect samples of relevant documentation, presentations, and case studies meeting these criteria. The third step in portfolio development is to organize your content. Here, you decide how you want to structure your portfolio. You can group similar work products together. You can also organize the work products logically, such that they best represent you with respect to your goal. Typical selections of this step are About Me, Skills, Projects, and Contact Information. Once you've collected the work that you want to use in your portfolio and organized it, you can use tools to design and build a portfolio. There are many online resources that can help you build and host your portfolio. Here's a list of some of the most popular tools. The next step in portfolio development is to solicit feedback on your personal portfolio from your peers and mentors. During this process, you run a beta test by getting your portfolio tested and reviewed by a wider audience. Once you've received the feedback, you implement the suggestions for improvements. The final step in portfolio development is to publish your portfolio. During this process, you make your portfolio live by sharing a link to the portfolio on your resume and your business card. Publishing your portfolio increases your visibility within your professional network and creates opportunities for you. There are many online tools and sites that can help you both build and host your portfolio. Here's a list of some of the more popular ones. If you effectively follow the prescribed workflow and leverage these online tools to share and promote your portfolio, you can differentiate yourself from competing job seekers. In this video, we provided a detailed workflow for developing your professional portfolio. We also identified several online tools and websites for you to create, host, and share your portfolio. A personal portfolio establishes your personal brand, differentiates you from other applicants in the job market, demonstrates your skills, creativity, and experience, helps you network with professionals in your domain, and builds trust among your clients. Building a personal portfolio comprises several key steps. The first step is to determine the focus of your portfolio. In the next two steps, you collect your work and organize your content. Then, you create your initial portfolio. In the next step, you assess, review, and refine your portfolio. Finally, you publish and advertise your portfolio. If you follow these steps and leverage the online tools to share and promote your portfolio, you will be able to increase your visibility within your professional network and create opportunities for yourself.